We're here at 214 Dryden Road to take a look at the second floor of this large 3-floor house. We've come up the stairs. I'll turn around so you can see those stairs that we've come up. And we're on the landing here of the second floor. So we'll come up to the top of the stairs. We've got a window right here. On this floor, we're going to have a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom, and then some bedrooms. So let's take a look at the kitchen first. This is a gorgeous kitchen. They've done some renovations, so it's all brand new. Everything looks great in here. We have a large amount of cupboards. They've got a nice gray finish to them. The large refrigerator, the dishwasher, stove and oven, the sink with a sprayer. There's a washer and dryer over here for you to use. And I think it came out great. And there's a little counter bar over here and a nice large window here in the kitchen. So this is the second floor kitchen of this house, and let's go across and we'll go into the living space. So there's a large living room here. You can see we've got a TV in here. This is a really large room. We've furnished it pretty lightly for the groups. There's just a couple items, a sofa and a chair and a couple tables, because we know the groups like to bring in a lot of their own items here. For a house like this, everybody seems to have an extra chair or a couch. Bring in whatever you like. You just have to remember you'll have to haul it up and down the stairs. So 2 windows in this living room space, and again the TV does come with. And on this floor, most of the rooms will have one of these steam heat radiators. Those do provide a nice amount of heat in here. Let's go around. We'll take a look at, we'll pass by the bathroom and then let's go into the bedrooms. So there's a bathroom on this floor. It's right over here. Okay, so bathroom. We've got the toilet and the vanity. There's the standing shower. And we've got some medicine cabinets here. So good storage in this bathroom. And as well, we've got nice towel racks in here for you to use. Let's go around. We'll take a look at the bedrooms. The bedrooms are towards the front on this floor. Here's the stairway to the 3rd floor, and as you know, we'll have a separate video for the 3rd floor. You do have to watch all 3 videos separately. So the rooms are clustered towards the front of the house. Let's go through them. This is room 22. I like this room because I think it has great windows. There's 3 windows right in a row over here. And you can see in here, so we'll have the bed, the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf. On this 2nd floor, you want to be looking at the rooms to look at, in particular, at the windows and the closets. None of the closets on this floor will have a door, so they will all be an open closet. You're welcome to put a little rod and a little curtain across there if you like, to close things off, close your clothes off. All right, room 22. Let's go around and see room 23 right next door. We're just going around. 23 is one of the smaller rooms in the house, but look at this. It's a corner room. It is so bright. It's got gorgeous views here. We can see to the east from this window. This is to the south. So you can have a nice valley view this way. That's Linden Avenue. We're on Dryden Road, as you know. That's the Brazano Family Center across the street from us. So again, a little less floor space in this room, but super bright. I like the closet in here. It's a very deep closet. It goes the entire length of that bed. It's tucked away back here behind the bed. It's narrow, but it's super deep, so you can fit a lot of things back there. That's a whole 2nd bar back there. So lots of space, just a narrower footprint. Let's go across into room 24. Room 24 is a unique room. It is often used as a storage room. Sometimes we'll flip the storage room between 24 and 32. Those are the 2 smallest rooms in the house. Room 24 does not have a closet. There is no closet in this room. We do have that extra shelving above there, but keep that in mind as you're choosing rooms. Sometimes this works out better for a storage room or sort of a spare room for the house. We have 1 window over here, and there's kind of a little nook. And so room 24, one of the smaller rooms, no closet. And we'll go around to room 25. Room 25 has 3 windows. Look at this, it is so bright. So we've got another corner room here. We've got this gorgeous bright light space in here. It really makes it feel open and airy. And we're on the street side, but again, we have these nice windows in here. These are newer windows, replacement windows here in this house. So it does keep out a lot of noise. I have all the windows closed today as we're making the videos, but I'm not hearing a lot of car noise. So that's a nice factor. That's a good sized closet. It's pretty wide. And again, the open closet over there. So that's a look at room 25. There's one more bedroom on this floor. Let's go take a look. This one's a pretty cool room. This is room 26. Let's go in here. So we've got, this one has a built-in shelf. The last room had the built-in shelf as well. And one window, two windows, and there's a third window over here. This one has a unique feature. This room 26, it wraps around and we have this nook over here. And the closet back here, this is another one that has a lot of depth to it. It goes all the way back over there. So you have a lot of hanging space and kind of some extra space in there. So that is a look at room 26. So that's a look at the rooms on the second floor here at 214 Dryden Road, where we have bedrooms, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room. Take a look at the other videos to see the other floors for this large 3-floor house at 214 Dryden Road.